object hovering at 22,000 feet, right outside the cockpit window. The footage is clear, controlled, and unexplained. But that's just the beginning. From the cockpit display, we can confirm altitude 22,000 feet, speed 319 knots, heading 075 degrees northeast. This wasn't some shaky cell phone footage. It was caught mid-flight, and the object held its position effortlessly. I wanted to find the exact flight. Using ADS-B data, I searched for an Airbus 320 that matched the key cockpit details: altitude, heading, and speed. Flying over Antioquia that day, while I couldn't pinpoint the exact flight, I found one with nearly identical characteristics. It's not a perfect match, but it gives us context for what was happening in the skies when this was recorded. And here's the thing. Antioquia is no stranger to UFO sightings. A few years ago, another Colombian pilot, flying at 12,500 feet, recorded a similar object passing by his aircraft. And just days before this latest encounter, on December 28, 2024, a witness in Medellin reported a diamond-shaped craft. It was gray and red, stable. February 6th,
searching for something out there. Why?
Look at this.
Look, it's holding, it's just stalled out there.
Brent was there filming, and I was there just basically being a spectator for a UFO event. And as you could hear, there was nothing that could indicate that this is any kind of conventional aircraft. We didn't hear anything.
It was totally silent. Like, you're absolutely right. And take a look at what's happening here. We got a super close up of whatever we witnessed last night, and you can see it's illuminating the ocean like I've never seen anything do before. That is wild.
Look, it's just stalled out there.